Lights go down and the crowd is gone, but the melody lingers on. The sweat is drying on my skin. Where does the show end and I begin? The roadie's packing up the gear, ringing silence in my ear. I sit on the edge of the stage, turning over another page, stripped of the glamour and the show, just a person that you know. No spotlight hitting on my face, just waiting for your embrace. The music fades into the black, but your love always brings me back. Yeah, after the encore ends, you're the lover. 1,000 voices scream my name, playing the rock and roll game. But in the hotel room tonight, I just wanna hold you tight. I'm not the idol, I'm not the star, I'm just the guy playing the guitar, singing a song for an audience of one. Now that the heavy work is done, stripped of the glamour and the show, just the person that you know. No spotlight hitting on my face, just waiting for your embrace. The music fades into the black, but your love always brings me back. Yeah, after the encore ends, you're the lover. The applause is an addiction, it's true, but it don't mean a thing compared to you. Real life starts when the amps go off and the mask becomes soft. The music fades into the black, but your love always brings me back. Yeah, after the encore ends, you're the lover. Just you and me, no more show. Let's go home.